Welcome to my channel and welcome to Mad Hatter Bags.
Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, Mad Hatter Bags. My name is Chris and I hope you're having a fabulous day. Thanks so much for tuning in and watching this video. Y'all, this month is birthday month in my family. Me and my husband both have birthdays like 4 days apart. His is coming up and then mine is gonna be 4 days away. So coming up this week, we have our birthday. So we're celebrating all month. I've gotten a few little items just for myself I wanted to share with y'all that I bought. One is a Coach bag, and it is a really cute little shoulder bag that I saw that I wanted to unbox for y'all. And then I got a pair of shoes that I also saw as well, just scrolling on Facebook, it popped up, y'all know how that happens. And then I just went and got this little tray, it's like a little valet tray. I got it from Michael's, it's the Jonathan Adler collection. They've got some stuff there that they had for Pride that's on sale now for 40% off. So definitely if you're interested in any of that, check out Michael's because they have a lot of stuff still in inventory and some really, really cute stuff. They have a mirror I really want, but I just don't have anywhere to put it. So I didn't get the mirror, but I did get this little valet tray. So with all that being said, before I show you these items, I do want to say thanks to all my returning subscribers. And if you're new to my channel, y'all go ahead while you're here, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on my next video as well. And if you'd like to follow me on any of my other social medias, y'all hop on over and follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. I love to do stuff on there as well, so definitely follow me there. And for everything else Mad Hatter, check out my beacon links. It's gonna be the first link under my YouTube bio. You can find lots of great information there, shopping links, discount codes. You can also shop my Depop and my Mercari closet as well. With all that being said, if everybody could just stop before you leave, if you're enjoying my video, give me a big thumbs up. It does help my channel to grow and I appreciate y'all for doing that. So without further ado, let's get on with these items. I'm really excited about the Coach bag because it was just kind of a bag that I saw just browsing the website. I had never even heard of it, and it came in quite a few colors, but the particular color I got, I think is sold out now. And y'all, I barely got the bag because it was one of those situations where you put it in your cart and then all of a sudden it's gone, it's sold out. And then I waited just like 30 minutes and tried to get it again and it let me get it. So I actually got the bag, so I was surprised. That's happened to me a couple of times, mostly on Dillard's, but never really on Coach. So usually on Coach, when it sells out, it's sold out. So I went to Michael's to pick up a little gift card for my husband's birthday and I saw some of this stuff. So this is the little valet tray I got. It's really colorful and cute. And this is, like I said, the Jonathan Adler collection. Really, really cute. And there's the bottom of it. It's just a white ceramic tray. But I just thought it was really cute and I'll be able to set that like on my dresser and put some stuff in it. It's got like a gold trim around the edge of it. So really, really cute and prideful. So I had to pick that up. Y'all know I love some color. And speaking of color, let me show you these shoes I got, y'all. These are really cute and I love a bright colored shoe. So this is from Skechers and this is I guess it's just one of their tennis shoes, but it's just the air-cooled memory foam, but they came out with this collaboration and they do those time to time. I think they've got one with John Deere. Not really interested in that for me, but when I saw this one, it's Britto that they did a collaboration with, and I love Britto's artwork. I actually have a little stuffed cat that he did from his collections way back, and it's just a little stuffed animal. But when I saw this on Facebook, I was like, I have got to get these little shoes. And they were fairly inexpensive. I think Skechers are usually like $75 or $85. These were only $95. For a special collaboration, I thought that was a really nice deal. So let me just show you here. I wear a size 13 and there is the label on it. And then it shows you kind of what this shoe looks like. But let's get into it. And I want to show y'all these Britto Skechers collaborations. So let's open it up here and see what I got here. But very colorful. And if you're not familiar with Britto, check him out. He has some really cool artwork. I want to say he is a Puerto Rican artist. I could be mistaken. I don't really know that much about him. I just know I love his art, but I should probably study up a little bit more on him. Let me read a little bit off this card. It might tell us something. All right, so here's the card here. I'm gonna read a little bit of that to y'all just so we can find out a little bit more about Britto if you don't know anything about him. But this says Britto is the founder of the Happy Art Movement and a world-renowned artist celebrating his unique and joyful style. With vibrant colors, bold lines, and playful patterns, his art inspires happiness, love, and hope across the globe. So I love that. Britto, the most licensed artist in history, is one of the most recognized contemporary visual artists with artworks exhibiting in galleries and museums in over 120 countries. Beyond his art, Britto is a passionate philanthropist supporting hundreds of charitable organizations worldwide. And a quote from him says, "I've always believed that art has the power to transform the way we live and feel. Art shouldn't be just something to look at, but to experience every day. And that's why I also love having my art beyond the galleries and museums. My purpose is to inspire, bring happiness into people's lives. art is too important not to share. And it is signed right there on the bottom there. So that was his little message on the Romero, Britto, and Skechers card. And it came with some tissue paper that's got his artwork on it. Let's open it up here. I haven't even tried these on, but they were so cute. I did open them up so you could see them. And here is the shoe. Look how cute that sneaker is, y'all. I love it. I can't wait to wear these. So cute. And it has some of his artwork, of course, on it. The heart right here on the side is definitely Romero Britto as far as I'm concerned. I love it, and I love it's got the heart on this side too, and then some of his other colorful artwork all the way around the sides of it. And it just goes really good with the contrasting black and white, I think, on the bottom. Love the little polka dots too, and then there is the bottom of the sneaker, just a black. But I just thought these were super adorable, and they say Skechers Britto on the top there, so I love them. And then the back has a little S for Skechers on there, and then it's also got embossment of Skechers on the side right there. So very nice. And it also came with this cute little charm here. Let me open the charm up so we can actually see it. It's got like a little plastic cover over it, and I'll just take it off because I'm definitely gonna keep these shoes. Oh, well, that just came right off. Let's see, I hope I didn't break it. Well, it looks like my little chain broke. Oh well, I have plenty of these little chains, so I'll just put another one on there, but super cute. And it came with this little tiny little happy. So cute. And the back of it says Skechers and Britto on it there, if you can see that, if it'll focus for you. So really cute little detail. And it's got his little artwork with the hearts and everything on it. So I love that. Really cute little details. All right, so that's cute. Unfortunately, the little thing broke on there, but it's just one of those little things like we get on our hang tags from Coach. I can definitely find one of those in this room. I have plenty. All right, so here is the other shoe here, and I'll just show them up together, but there they are together, the pair. But I love them. I'm really happy with them, and I think they're really cute and colorful and a really cool little birthday treat for myself. So I think they're still available if you're interested and you like Romero Britto. Go ahead and get you some of these. They had a couple different versions of them, and some were women, some were men, so you can find different stuff on there if you want a different style. And they had some different colors. So that was my little Skechers and Romero Britto collaboration. So that's my first two items I got. Now these are all stuff I bought for myself. Yes, I celebrate for myself. I have to do that. I do it all year long, but you know, when it's your birthday month, you definitely want to do something special for yourself. So I did that. I also got the last thing on my last video here. Let me just show it to y'all again, because this was a little purchase I got for my birthday, and this was the Basquiat, and it's the Dempsey carry-all from Coach from way back in 2021. I got this off of eBay, and it's brand new. So if you want to check out the review on it, it's on my last video that I did. So I love this. I haven't carried it yet, but I'm so happy that I got it for my little birthday celebration. All right, y'all, so let's get into the Coach unboxing of this Ella bag. It came in a box like this, and the box was actually intact. So y'all know I've had a lot of troubles with FedEx, I call it, but FedEx did a pretty good job this time. It was actually intact, and I was shocked. So let's get into this box and see what this bag looks like. Now, the reason I like this bag so much, it wasn't really the style. It's a shoulder bag, but the way I really love it, and the reason I really love it is because of the color of it. Its color is called Redwood, and it came in like 4 different colors. There was 3 just kind of regular colors, and then this red one, y'all, the Redwood, it came in this burnished around the edges, and y'all know I love that kind of stuff. So I had to get it, and I was so glad I was able to snatch it. I don't know how I did, but there is the box on the inside. So let's see what we got here. It's a very light bag because this box did not seem to weigh a whole lot, but oh, it looks good, y'all. I love it so far. It's a smaller bag, and let me put that box away, and here it is in the bag. So let's open up the bag, and we're gonna see this little burnishment around the edges there, and I'm gonna see if I like this bag. If not, it will be returned to the outlet. This is an outlet bag. But I like it so far. It looks pretty, and the burnishment looks really good. That's what my one thing is, you know, when they do these burnished looks, they all look a little different. But this one right here, it looks like it's pretty dark, and I like that it has a little contrast. So let me get all this packaging off of here. It's so shiny on here with the ring light, and then I'll come back and I'll show you the bag. All right, so let's open it up here and see what this looks like. It's a smaller bag than what I thought it was gonna be, but that's okay. I do have my 39 Brooklyn, and that's plenty of enough of a bag if I want to get a bigger bag, but this will be nice to be able to carry some smaller stuff in. All right, so there it is out of the bag. It has a nice adjustable shoulder strap on it with a couple of pieces. Yeah, I like this. Oh yeah, I like this. It's nice. And it comes with a little charm. Y'all know I love when it comes with a charm. I like a little extra. I think everybody does. All right, let me get everything out here. It has a little clochette and a hang tag on it too. So let me get all that together where y'all can see it. But it's definitely a nice little bag. And like I said, it's a really nice little burnishment on this bag. So let me get everything off of here. So it didn't have any like covering on the, you know how the charms and everything will have like a little plastic on the zipper and everything. None of that's on here. So I don't know what's going on with that, but they did not put anything on this bag. So I don't know if this was just something that they wrapped up from the store that they had on the shelves, but that's okay. Like I said, I was lucky to get it, and it looks okay. I don't see anything wrong with it, so that's okay. But let me attach the strap together here, and we're gonna look over this bag. All right, I'm just gonna attach the smaller strap here, and so we can see what it looks like with the strap attached. And then it has like an extension part on the other part there that's attached. So I'm not gonna take it off because, like I said, I'm not for sure 100% I'm gonna keep this bag yet. You know, it takes me a couple of days to really see if I like a bag, but you have to use it and you have to kind of look at it a little bit, especially if you've never seen it. So let me just show it to you a little bit, but let me show you the color. Here's the color of it. And it's kind of hard to see on camera here with the light being so bright. So let me dim down this light a little bit, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like a little bit in some dimmer light. All right, y'all, so I dimmed down the light a little bit so you can see the burnishment around the edges here. So can you see it a little bit better now? Hopefully so. And then it comes with those little charms on the side. It has a clochette, and you have your hang tag as well there, and it's a burnished hang tag as well. I'll show you that up close in a moment, but I just wanted to show you the edges and the burnishment around the edges of it. So there it is. There is the back side of it, and it's really nice, the burnishment on that too. And then there's the strap attached, but I love the shape of it. Reminiscent of a Brooklyn, but it has a little more structure around the edges, and it still has those same kind of like pieces and panels on the side there, and then a really nice adjustable strap there too. It looks like the strap has a little bit of burnishment on it and some eyelets there to adjust it with. It all has gold hardware on it, and the zipper looks good. It comes with this little charm that's a domino in gold, really nice. In the back side of it says Coach, and then you just have like a little leather tassel piece, and then there is the little clochette there. The clochette does not have Coach on it at all. So let me see what's underneath it. Usually these, you can put your keys on there. I think it has like a little ring, so let me see. All right, so yeah, so it has the ring, and the ring does say Coach on it there, if you can see that, if it'll focus in. So that's nice, little touch there. And you can attach something to that and put it under the clochette if you would want to. All right, so I like that. All right, so I'm gonna have to dress up this bag. I think it's gonna look really cute once I dress it up and you know, put some charms and stuff on it and put my own little touch on it. The leather feels pretty good on it for an outlet bag, but it's, I mean, you can definitely tell it's a lighter leather. It's not like your retail Coach, but it's not bad. And this bag was $179, so that's a pretty good deal for a little bag like this. And I love the color of it. I wish they would come out with some more stuff like this in the outlet. And what I understand is they're coming out with a bunch of love leather stuff coming up on this next drop on 8/5. So I have a feeling I'm gonna wind up spending a lot of money on that, just getting a few pieces. They have one that's a Rowan with pockets, and it's definitely coming home to me, okay? That's the one I'm definitely gonna get. So you'll definitely see that on this channel, so y'all stay tuned. But I love the burnishment on this one. I'm not sure, you know, if I like the style of bag for me. So I'm gonna try it on here and try it for a couple of days, but I think I'm gonna probably keep it. Very nice. And y'all let me know what you think about the burnishment on here and what you think about the style of this bag. I'll kind of try it on for a minute here and let you see what it looks like over my shoulder. I don't want to attach this piece here because I don't want to take it off yet, just because I may take it back, but not for sure. It does have the Coach emblem in gold there if you didn't see that on the front. And then I don't know if I showed you the bottom of it. And then let's go inside the bag just to see what it looks like on the inside. All right, so if you can see down in there, it has like a leather zipper pull, and then you're gonna have your Creed patch on the inside there too. So it's very nice. It's very hard to get in these bags though because of the way they're made. So it's hard to just see the inside and show someone else, which is okay because y'all aren't gonna be looking in my bag anymore after today, but I really like it. What do y'all think about it? Y'all tell me on the comments what you think, and let me know, is this a pretty good purchase for $179 from Coach? I think it is with this color, and I was really excited to actually get it and happy that I was able to snatch it before it really did sell out, but I think I probably got the last bag, y'all. All right, y'all, so I love it so far. Let me just try it on and let y'all see what it looks like on me. All right, y'all, here it is. You can see it in a little bit of a different light. It's got a little squish to it, which I kind of like. And I just love the burnishment around the edges. And I know y'all are probably like, if he says burnishment one more time, but it is really pretty, and it's kind of a reddish brown color. So I don't think I have any bags in this color. So I'm kind of happy with it. Yeah, I'll have to put my own little style onto it. I saw some on the pictures, you know how you can post pictures on the website, like under the customer reviews, some people had posted, they had really styled this bag really cute. So here it is on. This is just with the original strap here, and it's very comfortable under your arm. So I like that. It feels really soft too. And like I said, it feels like a pretty good leather for outlet leather. I know theirs is a little bit different and lighter, but that might be a good thing, you know, for some people that can't carry a heavier bag. But there it is, and that is the Coach Ella bag. So that is my third little item. Well, really my fourth little item I got for myself for my birthday. So I'm happy with it so far, and we'll just have to see. But I think I'm gonna keep her. What do y'all think? Should I keep it? Let me know in the comments, and let me know what you think about this bag and the color and burnishment on it. So, all right, y'all. All right, y'all, so that is all of my items that I got and treated myself for my birthday month of July this year. I'll be turning 51, so I'm happy with my little purchases. What do y'all think about my shoes? I love them so far, and I'm glad to get this little Jonathan Adler little tray. I think it's really cute as well. And I'm very happy so far with my Ella with the burnishment on it. It's a really pretty color in this redwood. So y'all let me know what you think about all my birthday stuff. I appreciate y'all for tuning in and watching my video. Like I said, if y'all haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button before you leave. And please give my video a thumbs up before you go. I appreciate y'all, and I'll see y'all on my next video. Y'all have a wonderful day. Bye.